what's up? Good morning. Today we have another update or vlog for you guys. Today it's a little bit different. Today we're actually going to show you our roaster. So we are pretty much going to be taste testing some coffees for the coffee shop. We already did this back last year. I think it's been already a year since we went and did like a whole taste test and all that to kind of see and get a feel of what the coffee is going to taste like. But throughout the time, it's been like a whole year, we've tasted different coffees. We've learned a lot more about specialty coffee. We've had the privilege of tasting other people's coffees, like other coffee shops. So like we kind of are adjusting our palate, I want to say, to what specialty coffee is. So we already kind of have in mind what we would like our coffee to taste like. So we're back to the roaster, and he does have new origins. He does have from other places, so we kind of are going to see what he has and what we like, and we are going to pretty much take you guys along and see the process of how you taste coffee, which is so crazy. Al principio nosotros no sabíamos, pensábamos que íbamos a probar café, like, te sirven un shot de café y tú te lo pruebas. El proceso es totalmente diferente, so you know, it's like, you'll see, it's like a little cup and then you have to slurp it. You'll see, we're on our way there. As far as the coffee shop goes right now, there's not much from the last time I showed you guys, which it was pretty much wait, Jonas?
In the video you didn't show the tubes and stuff.
Yeah. Wait, maybe, I don't know, I don't think we will have time today, pero they already installed the plumbing. So the plumbing, everything is already installed. It's crazy, like how underground it is. We thought it was just, it's crazy. Let me see if later we can pop by and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like. But right now we are just waiting on plumbing to be done. Inspector to come out and inspect the plumbing, and if everything is good, then they close the floor and then they move on to starting to build out the kitchen, the bathroom and all that. So, pero nada.
Machine is an inspection too.
Oh yeah, they know that. I put that there. So we're hopefully picking up our machine by Tuesday. Fingers crossed. She's working, up and running and working. I just can't wait for them to put everything in the coffee shop so that we can connect the machine in the coffee shop. It's just kind of like tira lucha. Like when that happens, that's gonna be like.
Cry.
Porque es que ustedes no saben. We bought this machine November 25th, 2021. We got it in our hands enero, I think it was like no, it was in January. It was January something. I have the video, which if I find it, I'll post it for you guys. This truck just pulled up. Do you think that's our machine?
That's our machine, babe. I think
Do you think so?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Okay, we have to record this because if it is, guys, you are getting a first see on our machine. Oh, the guy's coming, It's our machine. No, is that our machine?
Sí, está ahí. Esa es la máquina.
It's our machine.
Esa es la máquina.
Está abierta. Papi, se lo va. Oh my god, I wish you guys can see it. Pero it hasn't been till la semana pasada that we finally got it to someone to see if it actually worked. So that's crazy. So we've had the machine for over a year not knowing if it worked or didn't work because we bought it secondhand. So it was on customs for a very long time. No querían soltarnos la máquina. We had back and forth with emails, so it was crazy. But so much for chit-chatting. Just give you a little update. Let's go ahead and take it over to the roasting part of this video. I love this setup, you guys. His setup here is so amazing. Has all of it set up for us. So pretty. The roasting machine, it's so pretty. Look at this, guys. This is legit of roasting. Machine.
Look at the hoodies.
Look at these hoodies. ¿Qué dice? ¿Qué dice?
Yeah, we have some merch.
Coffee is essential.
Look at that.
And the
I love
logo.
the font.
Yeah.
That's
The
awesome.
logo.
The little
I
coffee,
love
coffee
it.
with the coffee bean.
The hard, but it's the coffee bean.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so we left Otis Coffee Roaster.
Glenn is amazing.
Our roaster Glenn, he's awesome, he's super knowledgeable. So we tasted, we're gonna create something nice. I can't wait for you guys to taste the coffee. I'm telling you what this coffee, guys, is just gonna be like, it's just the quality that he provides. It's what, it just blows me away. It's great quality. That's what you're gonna taste. You're gonna taste great quality. So we got home, we took some samples to kind of start playing a little bit with them at home. And this is about to look super bad. Hold on. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna test out, we're gonna mix, we're gonna play and whatever, but I can't wait for you guys to taste it. We're not only going to be serving the coffee, obviously, as our espresso, but we're also going to be having them for retail. So if you come to our coffee shop and you like the coffee that we're serving, you can take home a bag. So that's what, for me, it's just been blowing my mind. We're trying to see if we can get the ball rolling and try to have it up and ready in our website so that you can buy it for your house and you can buy it for yourself, but we'll see how that goes. For now, we're gonna have some lunch and continue to talk about what's coming next for First Coffee Shop, so stay tuned.